Hi Jane the main gang. I'm in the beautiful province of Free State. There's our family car. Here's my family. Arieng, let's keke. Tloyong bafana. Smile lang. Hey mama. Shabamo. Yeah. Smile. Hello. Remokai. Remokai. Ne? I also don't know. Shall we find out where we are? Let's go find out where we are. This is beautiful. Warning, guys. They have a warning as well. Bridge maximum safe times. Here's the river and the sea. Klaya keke.
Just clap.
Smile, maman. Hello. Yes. Ooh, my family boys. Keke, hello. Keke. Hello. How are you, boy? You good? I'm glad. I am. I'm doing that now. Yeah. The beautiful mountains. Content is everywhere, my bad. Everywhere is inspiration.
I want to go to the dome.
Ooh, wanna go to the dome? Say hello for the content.
Hello.
Hello. Hey, Marily. Lebansutle. Who? Yeah, better. Yes, there you go. Hi. Yes, this is my family. This is beautiful. Bona mfela hle. Are boneng, are ba le mo horeng. Trans-Canadian Funnel Authority Delivery Funnel. What's it hle? Ho ntle jwang? Guys, re mona dithabeng tsa Freistata hle. Bona ho ntle jwang? Now I have new content for my channel. You see? Look how beautiful. I'm yes, sir. Kana wena gangster nyana. Ki gangster nyana nyana. Ntse tsaka phone ki mo lemi. Hi guys, welcome to Jane the Main's channel again.
Mariano ha bona le sefatlhego.
Ke montsho.
Maybe
Ke botoka yana.
yeah.
Yeah. Hi family, welcome. I'm in the beautiful. Lumokai. Hi kids.
Remo bua mo monene.
Yeah, we're at the Trans-Caledonian something. It's in the beautiful of the province of Free State. Here's my dad. No, one time Daddy, come on. House, this is my daddy.
Ke mo Clarence. Ke part ya Clarence tata.
This is the Ash project from the Ash River project from the Lesotho Highland project, guys. So this is Lesotho Highlands water project. This is where we are. So babonse view, ma'am. I'll send it to you. But this is where we are, guys. This is the river. And I hope you guys enjoyed that. I'm gonna leave it here for now, but this is the view. Here are some tourists with us as well in the video. I hope you like that, guys. It's a beautiful, beautiful area. It's quite hot this side. Here's my nephew again, and this is the circle area. This is how it looks. Yes. Hope you guys like that. This is my sister. You guys saw her in the last video. Yes. So we are up the mountain. This is how it looks, guys. Beautiful, right? So these are the views. And this is where we are. This was what I was trying to pronounce earlier. We're at the Trans-Caledon Tunnel Authority Ash River Outfall. This is where my dad said it meets with the Lesotho Highlands River Project, right? So this is where we are. This is where we are, guys, at the Lesotho Highlands Project River. And it's supposed to be beautiful. So I'm gonna stand here. Maybe I'm a bit dark. Okay. So this is where we are. I hope you guys can hear me. It's a little loud. But welcome to our family road trip. I hope you guys are enjoying that. See you guys soon, yeah? Bye. Welcome to Clarence. Hello boys. Where are we? Clarence.
From the car?
Yeah, I'm taking content in the car. Ooh, so beautiful. We're in the beautiful city of Clarence, guys. So this is our... Oh, we could take pictures there by Harry Smith. Ne? Come. Let's go. On front of the Clarence sign, actually. Welcome. And Clarence, Clarence, welcome to Kamafokol. Kenang family. Bona le batle jwang? Tsena keke. Guys, please get a load of that beautiful mountain. Ew. Okay, guys, onward with our trip. We're going onward with our trip. We're in Clarence, as you can see, but now we're leaving and going back home. So I hope you guys can stay tuned and join me on this trip. Okay, bye. We are still continuing the road trip. Alright. Okay, kitla dula mona he. Kana ne.
GGP. Banna peace of mind. Re motho ya sentsana a tsamabona o tsama le motho wa gagwe ba tshwarane ka batso motho wa ba phamola spatsi mo yeah,
beautiful, guys, that mountain. Guys, imagine the ghetto. We have to pay for these pay toilets. Nagana.